Saladinos is a premier food service distributor who connects family, friends, and food. The success of Saladinos has been remarkable over the years, but they have faced minor issues within the company that could be improved. Safety and performance appraisals are two of 4 issues Saladinos has been battling with. Our team is proposing various suggestions that can be implemented towards the 2 issues of safety and performance appraisals. Managers will conduct a 2-hour mandatory weekly safety meeting before each shift. There will also be hands-on safety training, interactive demonstrations, and review of safety regulations and health inspection reports. There will be assessments at the end of the weekly meetings. All meetings are to be recorded for future references, to be available for review by safety and health consultation personnel of the company. It will be mandatory to have daily check-ins at assigned work areas, and documents are to be reported to the warehouse managers when shifts end. Employees will be able to provide input on how much protective gear they wear on site, to make it comfortable yet safe. Machinery equipment must be checked monthly by machinery maintenance to ensure that there are no malfunctions. Managers of each department are responsible for having their first aid regulations updated weekly. All managers must have a current certificate in first aid and CPR. All employees are encouraged to attend first aid and CPR trainings that will be held twice a year during scheduled work hours at no cost to employees. This slide includes 2 links for further guidelines on forklift and lifting safety that we hope to accomplish in Saladinos' work environment. WebMD tells us in the workplace, people at particular risk for sprains and strains are those who engage in frequent heavy lifting, which can include everyone from construction workers and laborers to warehouse workers, nurses, and physical therapists. Depending on the severity of the strain, it can keep an employee off the work floor for anywhere from 2 weeks to 10 weeks because a sprain is dealing with the ligament and not just the muscle. Proper training is important to properly perform a job and avoid injury. Wearing proper footwear, warming up and cooling down properly, and drinking plenty of liquids are ways to do this. Keeping your muscles strong will help in strengthening through exercise like yoga. Costs for yoga classes tend to be relatively cheap, and prices further decrease when practitioners buy multiple sessions. Most states offer packages of 5 sessions for $50 to $75 and 10 sessions ranging from $90 to $135. Yoga at the workplace is used because of the high benefits and low cost of implementation. Examples include companies such as Apple, Cisco Systems, and Exxon. Yoga benefits the company, the employer, and the employee. Yoga benefits the employer because it increases productivity, recruitment, morale, and motivation, and decreases healthcare premiums, stress, and anxiety. Yoga benefits the employee because it increases productivity, energy, and decision making, and reduces muscle tension and pain due to common working positions. The company can come up with a reward incentive for employees to practice yoga, because that incentive will be far less expensive than an employee injury. A report from the United States Department of Health and Human Services revealed that work sites with physical activity programs such as yoga have reduced healthcare costs by 20 to 55%. Unlike other exercise routines, yoga is low impact and it improves strength and flexibility. Yoga would be mandatory for employees who get injured because when an employee is injured, yoga can help that employee regain lost strength and provide a faster healing time. If an employee is made to go to 4 or 5 sessions of yoga as part of the healing process, they are more likely to experience the rewards of yoga and continue going, which will help prevent injuries. Saladinos will implement a new performance evaluation system through software. It is important that companies conduct performance evaluations to examine flaws within the system. With modern technologies becoming readily available, companies should implement technological software to increase efficiency and effectiveness. Jelly Belly implements a software called Halogen e-Appraisal, which was found to be extremely user-friendly. It gave realistic feedback for improvement. It allowed managers and employees to elaborate and expand on their survey reviews. Results proved more successful than past surveys and other performance evaluations. With updated performance journals, the new software, they are able to log in and update their appraisals regularly, and employees to continually add comments to their appraisals at their leisure. Halogen e-Appraisal system offers users unique internet accessibility, allowing associates in various locations the flexibility of being able to access the software from virtually any location. The manager of human resources for Jelly Belly said she really liked the user-friendliness of the software. The ability to properly operate the software at all levels within an organization is a major benefit when conducting performance evaluations. Results from the Halogen e-Appraisals have shown a boost in morale in various companies and has shown an increased motivation throughout associates, thus resulting in a higher level of self-esteem. The Halogen e-Appraisals are proficient in identifying the norms and standards of an organization, and the software has made associates more accountable for their actions, thus increasing responsibility. Management has the ability to incorporate goals and strategic plans while using Halogen e-Appraisals. The software links employee goals to the objectives of the company. In conclusion, we believe if Saladinos incorporates our research on safety and performance appraisals within their company, they will notice positive changes and improvements.